So my friends dared me to do something, and I was like, you know what? Let's take it to Twitter.
Brent said I couldn't get $1,000 just by posting my Cash App. It's Nico Pink. Send $1 and retweet to prove them wrong. This is high-key banter, but let's see.
Anybody could have done this.
Sugar Daddy Leo donates 150.
At this point, I was like, you know, it's not 1,000, but at least somebody donated.
Sugar Daddy Leo donates 79.
Okay, what?
Florida Rambo donates 69. No, Justin Bieber donates 420. Let's Green donates $1.
Gina Fields donates
I mean,
47.
a bunch of people do it all the time, you know. They make up their OnlyFans and go, oh, donate to see my nudes or whatever. But I was like, I'm not giving you anything.
Current balance 2,089 USD.
So as my gift to you, your money back. I didn't want it to begin with. Like, I just wanted to prove a point. In the comment section below, tell me what you would have done with the $2,000. Like, what could you possibly do with $2,000? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. I want to know. Also, if you can get 500 likes on a comment below,
whatever you say, I have to do.
I saw a little glimmer in your eye. You was like, I'm about to post some. Nope, I'm not doing it. It's a joke. I'm not doing it. I mean, within reason. I do silly stuff all the time based on comments. So if you leave a comment down below and I read it and I'm like, oh, that sounds like fun, I'll probably do it anyway.